I think.
They're
Looks like
males are
it does
territorial.
look like territorial behavior. In
Yeah.
which case, you're looking for a dominant behavior there. In which case, though, they are biting, but
It's cute.
they're biting the
But
shells more than anything else.
It's very cute though. Stop
They're still
it!
fighting.
Gosh. No, it's okay. They'll find
I've never seen two turtles fight before.
It's a tree monitor.
He put him on his back!
I wonder how he's going to get back over.
Oh, don't worry. The keepers, they check in about every 10 to 15 minutes. You can't see the keepers, but they're behind there looking down into each one
constantly?
of the cage. Yeah.
Please get
This
off
is
your
just- It's
back.
a territorial behavior between these two.
I'm going to come. Come on, let's go see the alligators.
It's cute, but it's
Caleb,
so.
honey. Come on, Caleb, let's go see the alligators. I know they're fighting.
Oh, look, he's pushing it. Oh, he looked like he was going to push him back over.
Please stop fighting.
Look at the poor baby. This makes me sad to see them fight. It makes me sad to see that turtle on his back. It's not good for them. It makes them sick.
Turtles are evil. See, they're fighting, so they're therefore evil. Look at Gamera. He tried to destroy Tokyo. He was a turtle.
He always try to destroy.
First few films.
Look, he's almost off. He's almost off. Come on, you can do it. Come on, get off. You can do it. Come on. Come on.
Those foxes and mice and insects.
The last time I saw a turtle be on its back, it got upset. Because I had a turtle and it fell on its back and I didn't know it. And then when it came out, it got sick.
Turtles generally can flip themselves back over. They have to rock back and forth. But don't worry, these guys are well looked after.
Look at that. He stopped kicking.